ERMAK transceiver. What's inside? Let's take a look. The transceiver is supplied as a kit. The factory housing is of excellent quality, manufactured in Germany, and the modules, most of which are assembled and tuned. Let's see. Removing the covers. The transceiver is partially assembled and set for reception. So, we have the loudspeaker peripheral device connection board, USB, Ethernet, power, control, antenna connectors, and a cooler will be installed here for temperature management. The main transceiver board, essentially its heart, coprocessor, DSP, and control components, is provided pre-assembled. Your task is to attach it to the front panel made of aluminum, install handles, buttons. At the bottom, the front end is already installed with its analog to digital converter LTC 2165 DAC attached to the housing with a thermal pad for improved heat dissipation. The board includes bandpass filters on ferrite rings, control circuitry, relay switching, I2C bus control, and a high-frequency amplifier heatsink. Let's move on to the other modules. Power amplifier. Low pass filter. 2 RD102 RD16 will be installed in the driver section. In fact, all idle current control protection is done programmatically from the transceiver menu, very convenient. To cool the amplifier, a Noctua fan is used. It is currently one of the quietest and most efficient fans available on the global market. Antenna tuner. It is essentially a replica of the David tuner, and also includes a directional coupler for VSWR measurement, allowing graphical display of VSWR on the screen. Naturally, the kit includes all necessary cables, screws, bolts, RF connectors. The assembly of the transceiver is essentially a large module assembly, accessible even to radio enthusiasts with basic knowledge of electronics. If you are interested in this transceiver, I can provide more information about it, its capabilities, remote control through web access, dual receiver operation. Right, like, subscribe to the channel. Good luck to all of you and have a great experience.